Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'm from the Unruly Theater Project. And so for our next game, this is called 3 Lines of Dialogue. And this game is used to practice our improv skills, and especially practice one of the most basic things in improv, which is to make sure that you establish character, conflict, and setting. And so throughout this game, 2 players will step up at each time, and between the both of them, they're only allowed to say 3 lines. And in these 3 lines, they hope to establish character, conflict, and setting. All right, guys, let's get started.
All right, sweet sheets, welcome to the purse market. Do you want Gucci designer or just designer?
Well, I mean, my daddy gave me like thousands and thousands of dollars, so like, why not get both?
All right, you privileged child, I need you to step out here and reevaluate your life, okay?
Mom, I found these bird eggs out in the gutter. What do we do with them?
Oh, Tommy, I told you not to just grab them with your hands. They're broken now.
Oh, yeah, well, the mama bird did fight back a little bit.
Teacher, all the kids at school are calling me short.
I can't believe I went through 4 years of community college for this.
So you're not going to help me with the boys?
Well, I think we should get out in the water and go surfing.
All right, cowabunga. Where is my board?
Jen, you lost your board?
I told you that you had to get straight A's this quarter. I've been trying, Mom, but the boys, they just want me to go to all these parties all of a sudden because I'm so popular and I can't help it.
Are you trying this new boy band phase? That's all the time that we have for today. Again, this game is called 3 Lines of Dialogue, and it just helps us practice our basic improv skills. Please check out our website to find out where our shows are, and please come see them. Thank you.